Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see how to use the Ollama and specifically the tool calling. So here I've created a function like add two numbers which will just take two numbers and like set this result to a plus b, and then I'm like creating a function in Ollama adding parameters a and b, and then setting the description also for the parameters, and then adding that function add two numbers to Ollama tools. Now I am just asking a question and sending that.
I guess my initial question would be like, when it comes to the LLM helpers or tools, how how does it work based on like, are you making a smaller model for A and a bigger model for B, or they both trained on the same model? If they are trained on the same model, kind of like what goal are you giving them? In regards to the goal, like are they supposed to kind of like what is the term that GPT uses? Inference computing? Are they like predicting or trying to make the best prediction from each parameter based off of parameter A? Like how will you kind of like maybe I could wait a little longer to see if you get into that, but I know a lot of developers don't really talk their way through problems. I don't say I do the best, but I do always talk it out. And talking it out just gives people the questions that they might have on the inside. That's why we like when programmers are able to talk about the solutions, just give their insight on best ways they might solve a problem. It might not be the best way to solve a problem, but at least you know how to solve a problem.
Question to the AI assistant, and if the AI assistant requests a tool call, so we'll just call that function with the parameter a and b, and this will set the result, and then we are like using add tool call result to this result variable. So this will add the result to tool call, and then we send the tool called result to the AI assistant, and then whatever response we get, we just display it using the say block. uh, this will not run directly as it, so first thing you have to do is you have to go in.
Let me see. This is currently available at Dev's Code School. Is it available for me to use? I use it. I'll give it a shot just to see what I'm able to do and what I'm not. It's not loading. It is not loading. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the website isn't loading, Brody. I don't know if that's on my end, but the website not loading, Brody. No comments as well, but um. Oh, okay. Website loaded. Website loaded.
What if I told you that there was
Was
a
about to say. Okay, not a member. Do I want to sign up? I like how you have a kind of like a. Oh, no, 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 no. X. Oh, you don't have to sign up. All right. Cool. So what the fuck am I? Okay, motion, looks. So say hello. And move 10 steps. No, start with this. Move 10 steps. Say hello. All right. And then the sound. Yeah. All right. How do you start this now? Okay, so choose a sprite. Full screen now. Run, go. Events. Oh, green, green. Boom. But alright, so cool. It's like a building block that allows you to kind of, I guess, work. This is pretty cool. I don't know how to really describe it. So it's a block, or at least something like Figma, allows you to kind of like, I guess, wireframe the task you want to do, but also it's not really wireframing because it's actively implementing it. Looks like a lot of, well, it looks like you can only do things that, like things that's in the settings and shit. What I was gonna say is it has a image option. It seems like you can customize whatever it is, so you can when you so I don't want to butcher it, but it looks like all right. So you can do a lot of like customizations, but you can freaking do what's available, which is pretty cool. And maybe if you sign in, you could probably do more. Overall, I like it in terms of just for what it's supposed to be used for. Let me see. Yeah, for what it's supposed to be used for, it seems like it could be fun. It seems like you could get creative with how you want to use it, like how you want it to help you. Maybe,
Into your programs and then shut down Ollama. Then you have to set the Ollama origins equal to star on Windows. So you set the environment variable to this, then run Ollama serve. Now this will run. So let me just run it. So let me just ask some question. So it will show you the answer is 5. Let me run it again.
so honestly, I like the functionality. He's clearly showing you how to hook it up to Ollama, which is unique in itself. Not gonna lie to you, very unique. And I feel like everybody should at least give it a shot just because you could implement this in ways locally for your LLM that you might want to train or not and make it like an interactive LLM experience. Like, who wouldn't want to talk to a cat? That's something basic, simple, but like pretty dope if you know how to like implement it properly. So, like, hey, look, you earned yourself a subscribe. Make sure I like it as well. Leave a comment first. And great content. Just reviewed. I wanted to let you. This is an awesome project. And I tested it live. Others to see videos dropping soon. So, so y'all know what to do, y'all. Go up to Hacktronics India. He's giving y'all some nice stuff, some nice tools you could use to help your process. And overall, I love it. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna implement it right now. Like, I don't really have that type of mindset. I love it using now just for my day to days. I can't really see a way as to like, and I just realized this was on my screen. I can't really see a way as to like integrating it on my day-to-day workflow basis, but like definitely a tool I'll be using. Like for sure, a tool I'll be using. Just gotta find a way to like integrate it. But check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here.